Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about breaking news. Rhode has been purchased by ELF for $1 billion. So I'm going to give my 2 cents on what I think this means for the beauty industry, for Rhode, and for Sephora and ELF. So if you want to know more, keep watching. But before we get into the video, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and I want you to be a part of our crew, talking about beauty, makeup, skincare, hair, nails, all the different things. I want you here. So please subscribe to the channel, so when you log into YouTube, the first thing you will see are my awesome videos. Also, if you like this video, like the video, and if you want to be first to know when I go live or post a new video, hit the notification bell. Okay, so I am going to be reading from, citing our sources, Vogue magazine. This is an article by Natasha Scott. Rhode to be acquired by e.l.f. Beauty for $1 billion. So Hailey Bieber's beauty and skincare brand Rhode has been acquired for $1 billion by ELF Beauty pending approvals, marking one of the most high profile beauty deals in recent years. So that is just breaking news. I wanted to cite a real source, so that way it's not like I'm making this up and it's coming out of nowhere. It's also on CNN, a whole bunch of other websites. But $1 billion sale, if everything goes through and approved, of Rhode to ELF. Is it beauty or cosmetics? I think it's ELF Beauty. Let's double check. It is to ELF Beauty. That ELF Beauty is the name of the overall company, and they own ELF, Alicia Keys beauty brand, and Naturium, and ELF Skin, which is like the skincare brand. What? First of all, congratulations, Hailey Bieber. $1 billion sale, that is phenomenal. Exciting that it is for a woman founder owner. Because in terms of her selling it to ELF, I don't know how much. They're saying she's still going to be involved with the brand, but they're not saying if she's going to like give away all her ownership or whatever. So I'm just going to call her a founder owner for the sake of this video, until the deal's approved, and then we know what is what in terms of all the things. So yeah, it's nice to see a woman get a bag. Because this is a celebrity brand, I feel like it's now controversial. Like if this was some other brand that was just sold for $1 billion, that everybody liked and just loved the products, and that the brand origin story wasn't a celebrity, I feel like it would be received very differently, and people are talking about it the way that they are because she is a celebrity. In my vision of the beauty industry, I feel like this is the pendulum swinging in the back in the other direction to makeup industry in the late 90s, early 2000s. And the reason why I say that is because back during those times, in the 90s, early 2000s, there was a makeup brand for a certain type of person, a certain type of lifestyle, and that was the only person who shopped at the brand. So for instance, if you were into skincare and really wanted to wear makeup, but you still wanted to have healthy, good skin and take care of it, you were a Clinique girl. If you liked bright, over-the-top, avant-garde makeup looks and you wanted to have the latest fashion makeup style, you were a MAC girl. If you were a Renaissance career woman who was serious about business and you needed your makeup to last all day and look good, you were an Estee Lauder girl. And each brand had an archetype of a kind of person who would shop at that brand and wear that makeup. because of YouTube and social media, we became a conglomerate of every brand trying to sell to every person and convincing, hey, listen, you might be an artistic avant-garde makeup wearer, but you need this pink clear lip gloss from our Clean Girl brand because we're the new thing. And we weren't falling into different categories. It was like a lump sum trying to market to everybody. And what ended up happening, I feel like, is that the people who weren't really the key demographic for a lot of these products, you would always be disappointed in whatever it was, because really you were a bright, bold makeup girly and you should have been over here, but this Clean Girl brand was trying to be sold to everybody. So now you're disappointed with what you got. So I say that to say, this big, huge deal for Rhode is now showing that you can be a clean girl makeup brand for the clean girl makeup girlies and still make money, be the new trend, and be a big deal. She's now entering into Sephora also, and a lot of people are skeptical of the online only direct to consumer kind of beauty companies, because if it's bad they can't take it back. And now that it's going to be in Sephora, a lot more people who never tried Rhode before are going to be running to Sephora to try Rhode, because they know they have the insurance policy of when it gets gritty, you can just take that lip balm right back to the store and get your money back, instead of trying to mail it back and take it online. If you return it within the window of when you can return things, right? So I think that a lot more people are going to start trying Rhode. I think that Rhode is for a chronically online millennial Gen Z person, and I think there's going to be a lot of people who may have heard other people talking about Rhode that aren't chronically online, and they're just like, oh, it says what's new and it's in the front of the Sephora, so let me try it out. So I think they'll get a lot of sales like that. And I think that we'll see how long the wave goes. The lip balms are gone viral multiple times over for being gritty, and some people complaining about the taste. The glazing milk I've heard a lot of good things about, and I think people like the cleanser. The blushes are really chunky for a little bit of product, and some people it's like hit or miss. Some people like it, some people love it, some people like it and love it, some people don't. And the lip contours, nobody said they were good. I don't think I saw any reviews saying that the lip contours were good. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. This is a really interesting moment. I also find that sometimes on the internet, a lot of people will love something to the top, and once it gets to the top, then they'll all start hating it, and then it will crash or lose popularity, lose people buying it, and people being like, ugh, now we hate it because it's like so establishment, so corporate, like this is not the brand that we like anymore, especially now that they've sold out. So it'll be interesting to see if Rhode takes that trajectory. I will be honest, I have not tried anything from Rhode, not even so much that I don't think I like it. I love a lip balm, so I'm pretty sure it's another lip balm, but I've just fallen so much in love with the products that I've already tried from other brands that at this point I can't see myself between Edam, Summer Fridays, K-Skin, and topicals. I feel like, why would I ever need another lip balm? Like, I think I have my lip balm Avengers and I am set. So that would have been the only thing I tried from the brand, because I was interested. Oh, and Old Enricson lip balm, love them too. But I was interested in getting the Rhode Cinnamon Toast one, but then that was a limited edition and it has sold out, and I'm not one of these like sign up for the wait list and check and see if I could get it kind of people. If I go to the website and it's gone and I just missed it. So and the skincare, yeah, I'm blocked. Me and Korean skincare go together real bad. I'm not trying no other American skincare brands unless I see people doing before and afters, and then I see the difference, and I'll be like, oh, now I need to try that because I see it. But I haven't seen anybody say this was my skin before Rhode, this was my skin after Rhode. I have not seen that at all. So let me know what you think in the comment section below about this $1 billion sale of Rhode to ELF. I also think it's very interesting I'll put the post in here.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't.
That ELF made a comment about they have to raise their prices because everything is tight right now in the state of the world, and tariffs and yada yada yada. Everything needs to go up by $1 by August. And I'm wondering, based on the timeline, if they're announcing the potential sale in May, they still need approval of the deal to go through in probably June or July. And then what, August is when you got to make that first payment, so then the products go up $1. I just feel like there was a better way to communicate the price hike if you knew that you were coming out with this $1 billion deal with Rhode. It should have been more time, a bigger window. Maybe if you knew Rhode was going to be announced in May, maybe talk about the product thing in April. But I don't think that was good timing. But we'll see what happens. I think for a lot of people, ELF is like their go-to brand at that price point. So they're not going to give up ELF, but we're going to see what exactly happens with the future of Rhode. Also, Estee Lauder so much, not really other companies, but Estee Lauder, maybe LVMH a little bit. It's been a thing that when conglomerates buy these smaller beauty brands, that they change the formulas, mess up the products, distort the brand image, and just jack everything up. So let's see if ELF is going to do that with Rhode. They didn't do it with Naturium, but Naturium is strictly skincare, not really makeup. So we'll see what happens. But let me know your 2 cents in the comment section below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.